आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So the question is, if 6a square minus 3b square minus c square plus 7ab minus ac plus 4bc that is equal to 0, then family of lines that is ax plus by plus c that is equal to 0, where mode of a plus mode of b is not equal to 0 can be concurrent. So we have to find out the concurrent points here. So let's find out the concurrent points here. We have given the equation that is equal to what? 6a square minus 3b square minus c square plus 7ab minus ac plus 4bc. Now, in this equation, first of all, we convert this equation into any of the quadratic equation like a, b and c. So from here, let's say we convert it into a quadratic equation. So what it becomes? It becomes 6a square plus a into 7b minus c minus of 3b square minus c square plus 4bc that is equal to 0. Now, from here, let's find out the roots of it. So, the roots that is equal to, that is a that is equal to b square minus, let me correct this here. So, what it becomes? It becomes here c minus 7, that is c minus 7b, because minus b plus minus root b upon 2a. The roots formula is what? Minus b plus minus under root b by 2a. So from here we use this formula here. So what it becomes? It becomes here plus minus of under root of 49b square plus c square minus 14bc plus 72 b square plus, let me rub this and write into some other parts of this, that is 24 c square minus 96 bc. Now let's write this formula, that is minus b plus minus under root d by 2a. Now let's solve this here, and it is under root and the whole divided by what? And the whole divided by 12. Now let's solve this here. So what it becomes? It becomes here c minus 7b plus minus of and root of, if we solve this, so what we see? We have 121b square plus 25c square minus 110bc and the whole divided by what? And the whole divided by 12. Now let's solve this further. So this becomes the formula of, what? This becomes the formula of a that is equal to c minus 7b plus minus of, and this becomes the formula of 11b minus 5c whole square. So under root got cancelled. So we have 11b minus 5c upon 12. Now let's take positive one time and negative another time. So if we take positive one side, that is equal to c minus 7b plus 11b minus 5c by 12. So what we have? We have here 9b minus 4c divided by 12, that is equal to what it becomes? B minus, this becomes here 4b minus 4c, b minus c by 3. Now if we take the negative side of this, so what it becomes? That it becomes a that is equal to c minus 7b minus 11b plus 5c by 12. So if we solve this, so what it becomes? It becomes here minus of 18b plus 6c by 12, that is equal to what it becomes? It becomes here minus of 3b plus c by 2. Now let's simplify this formula. So what it becomes? 3a minus b plus c that is equal to 0, and what it becomes? It becomes here 2a plus 3b minus c that is equal to 0. Now let's use the formula, that is let's ax plus by plus c that is equal to 0, and if we compare with this here, so what it becomes? If we compare this, so what it becomes? It becomes here x by 3. Let's compare this equation with this first. So x by 3 that is equal to y by minus 1 that is equal to 1 by 1. So the points here is what? So the points here is 3 and minus 1. 3 and minus 1. And if we use this formula into this equation, so what it becomes? It becomes here x by 2, that is equal to y by 3, that is equal to 1 by minus 1. So from here we have the points that is equal to minus 2 and minus 3. So from here the point is minus 2 and minus 3. So we have 2 points, 3 and minus 1 and minus 2 and minus 3. And if we see our options here, so our option is 3 and minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3 is not in the option. So we have option B is our final answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।